Family in the hot seat this week on Intense. Wagwan Al.
Yo, 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 yo.
Al third, not third, but 1/3 for those who wondered. Where remember him face from?
Yeah.
First of all, Al, 3 words to describe, the journey thus far.
Multi-works.
Yeah.
Rocky, but steady.
Yeah.
That's what I say. Slow progress, but steady progress.
That's good.
It is tumultuous because it's hard, it's never easy sometimes.
Yeah.
And it's steady, you understand what I'm going what I'm making.
Has it been difficult transitioning from, like a group member into like a solo artist?
No, not necessarily. Fans out there love the look, they just want to be a part of something that is successful, and I'm putting out music, people are hearing it. I mean, visibility is there. So people just want to be a part of something that is successful. I mean, they know me from the group, they know that you're a great group that performed well anywhere we go.
Everywhere.
Hands down. So now that they're matching music to a face, it's a growing process and it's a maturity process. So it's just a matter of just continue making the hits, making the music until one day I find myself on the billboard,
What's the project that you're working on? Are you working on an album, EP, or what's the plans for you?
Well, right now, of course, our album is definitely in the making. I've never released an album before, but I've released an EP and mostly singles. So right now, I have 2 singles out. One called Only When Close and one called Mood Right Now. Ladies, what's your mood right now? So basically, Only When Close is just a pure, natural love song. It's talking about emotions from the heart. It's not about sex or ecstasy or anything like that. It's about back in the days when you see a girl and you have butterflies and goosebumps and them things that just genuine, real love. And Mood Right Now is just another song for the ladies who have a vibe. She in a mood right now, she want to drink some red wine and feel tipsy and just party. What's your mood right now, ladies? Blowing up my timeline. Let's go somewhere only we know. She wants me to fix her mind. She said it gets a little tricky when she drinks some red wine. Then she get a little giddy and she feels so divine. Rude right now, that's her mood right now.
You like the more up-tempo thing them, or you like the slow thing them, or what's your vibe?
Again, it's about mood right now. Today you feel like you want to sing something slow or in a slow vibe, and then another time you feel like you want to dance. And I listen to all genre music, so my hearing kind of big and wide and varied. So I just kind of always maintain a balance. Today we will listen to some Benny King and some Shy Lights, some Manhattan. The next year, I listen to some Rihanna. You understand? Some of the Marleys, some Buju Banton, some Mighty Diamonds. You name it, some Popcorn. The hearing is varied, you understand?
You mentioned some DJ too as well. Do you see, how has the style evolved? Are you more of a sing J, or is it still straight singing, or what's the sound like nowadays?
I would say singing with a little polish of a little DJ sometimes. It's just how you polish it, it's just how you style it, it's how you fuse it, you understand?
You have 2 singles out right now. How have you been promoting it? I mean, Road just kind of started, get like a light now.
Road just kind of started. I'm going to jump out the same way out on the road. I just want to be among them. I'm not trying to be at the top or beat anybody or badmine anybody or say I'm better than anybody. I just want to be among the quality music that is out there. So when they hear Alfred, you can say, yeah man, that's bad man. When they hear Popcorn, you can say, yo, that's bad. You understand? I mean, you can say the same thing. When we hear a Popcorn, when we hear our next artist, I can say, yo, that's bad. You understand? So it's just to be among the quality music that is out there. So, of course, I'm here, social media, Alfred Music, ALTHIRD MUSIC. That is on Instagram, it's on Facebook, and it's on YouTube. One word, Al3rd Music. And of course, Twitter, Al_3rd, AL_THIRD. So you'll find me there at my home, my website, brand new website up. You can check out all of my music, you can buy the music, you can stream, and if you subscribe, I can have special exclusive downloads for you. So just check out the website, al3rd.com.
For a lot of the young singers coming up now, what advice would you have for them as a producer yourself?
Stop reiterating within word. But one of the most important things is to remember that quality over quantity. It is better to have 1 good song than 10 songs that don't have the quality. That is how I look at it. I know people out there believe in flooding the market and all these things, but believe you me, it is better to have one good song that hits the billboard at #1 than to have 100 songs that never go to the billboard.
So you say you have the billboard song, you know? I mean,
so here, man.
All right, that's all I want to know.
All the feelings I get, it's only when close to you. Totally, only when close to you.
That I go on from 1/3 to all third. Get it, check out the music right away. Chop.